Hi, and thank you for tuning in to our IST 302 Principles of Six Sigma presentation presented to you by Sean He, Arsh Sadana, and Nick Canarelli. In this presentation, we will begin to scrape the surface and detail what the principle of Six Sigma is and its structure, the methodologies involved in it, when to use said methodologies and the similarities, the importance of it, and drawbacks that a company may run into if implemented. So what do you say? Let's dig in. Now you may be curious what exactly the principle of Six Sigma is. The principle of Six Sigma can be defined as an approach to identify and eliminate defects of any process from manufacturing to transactional and products to services. The principle was developed by Motorola in 1986 by Bill Smith, who is considered to be the father of Six Sigma. It is a business statistical strategy that aims to improve customer satisfaction and create products and services that function at a high standards to its customers, prompting long-term interest. It relies on two methods, DMAIC and DMADV. DMADV is an acronym for Define, Measure, Analyze, Design, and Verify. Let's dig in to see what exactly this means. DMADV can most easily be defined as defining the problem and identifying the desired goal, measuring and keeping a track of parameters that need to be numbered, analyzing the processes and requirements that need to take place in order to achieve the expected outputs, designing all of the methods and procedures to ensure flawless results, and verifying to check the design to be sure that it was set up according to plan, conduct trials of the processes to make sure that they work, and begin production or sales. You may be wondering when to use DMADV. And even though the DMADV and DMAIC approaches seem to be very much similar, both are implemented at different stages and as per requirements of the organization. DMADV is focused on the needs and satisfaction of the customer by improvement of new processes or products. You can use DMADV when the product or service is not in existence and needs to be developed, or when existing products don't fulfill customer satisfactions or requirements. The second approach of the principle of Six Sigma is the DMAIC approach, and this stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. Let's dig in to see what this means. The DMAIC approach can best be explained as defining the project goals and customer goals, measuring of the inputs and outputs required in various different processes, analyzing the causes and reasons of the defects, improve the performance by eliminating the defects, and to control and correct the deviations to ensure the desired objective in the future. When exactly do you use the DMAIC approach? Well, it's more of an organizational based approach, but this approach is used when an existing product or service fails to meet the customer requirement and does not function properly. Since the primary focus is on customer satisfaction, it is important to figure out when and when not to use this approach. Specifically, use this approach when the root cause of the problem which is being faced is not known or confirmed. While they both have their own differences, believe it or not, both of the methods used to implement the Six Sigma principle do relate in some way or another. For example, solutions are data intensive and based only on hard facts. They both use statistical tools and facts in order to find solutions to common quality related problems and focus on reaching the business and financial goals of an organization. They're both implemented by green belts, black belts, master black belts, and yellow belts, and are used to reduce defects to fewer than 3.4 million available opportunities. Both are implemented to find long-term solutions to problems in the products or services the organization offers to its customers. As mentioned above, there are yellow, green, black, and master black belts that comprise the structure of the Six Sigma project management principle. These people are crucial in conducting projects and implementing improvements. The yellow belt participates as a project team member. The green belt assists with data collection and analysis for black belt projects. The black belt leads problem-solving projects, and the master black belt trains and coaches black belts and green belts and acts as the organization's Six Sigma consultant. The importance of the Six Sigma principle is as follows. Implementing this principle aims to identify and correct errors in design and reduces the amount of variability in business processes. Following a predetermined series of steps that have a measurable financial goal, such as an increase in revenue or decrease in costs, can help increase company efficiency and lead to exponential growth. Also, the quality standards can help a business correct and anticipate quality issues in its processes and products and services. Companies who have successfully implemented Six Sigma are 3M, BD Medical, Amazon, Caterpillar, Bechtel Corporation, Boeing, Bay Systems, Bank of America, Northrop Grumman, Raytheon, GM, and many more.